What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Untches for Lunches. I'm your host, Kyle Untch, and today we're going to reverse sear a strip steak. Now, this strip steak is a certified Angus beef, choice strip steak, but to me it looked prime. It should have been prime. This thing was beautiful. I had to splurge on it. So I seasoned it up, what was I saying? I seasoned it up with some sea salt. Okay, that's very important, sea salt. I like sea salt. Garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Very simple. 4 essentials. You can even use the 3 essentials, as in the salt, pepper, garlic powder. I'm pissed I forgot to mention this. Room temperature. Room temperature. It's so important. Let it get to room temperature. Patience.
Room temperature.
Room temperature.
Okay, now that the steak is seasoned and at room temperature, we're gonna put it in the oven on 275 until the internal temperature of the steak reaches about 120 degrees. Then we're gonna sear it. Minutes later. It's almost at 122 degrees. Only took about 20 minutes. Again. So basically, you want to heat up your cast iron skillet and then sear. I would recommend using canola oil, something that has a low smoke temp. I screwed up and used vegetable oil and smoked the place out. Okay, now that the steak is up to about 120, 121 degrees, I let it rest about 10 minutes, maybe 15, because I had a little hiccup that we're not going to talk about. The hiccup was I'm using vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is a terrible oil to use for sear. Use canola, because vegetable, as you will see, produces so much smoke. But aside from that, you're going to want to sear the steak about 45 seconds per side. Not long. It's already basically cooked on the inside. Okay, we're seeing lots of smoke. I'm going to flip it. That's a sign you got to flip it over. We got a real nice brown sear here. Make sure you give it a good tap down and make sure all the bottom surface area is making connection with the heat. You can see the smoke, okay? This is the vegetable oil. This is where I've gone wrong, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. I'm gonna pull this ASAP because I do not like smoke in this tiny, tiny kitchen. And I'm sorry if I sounded angry, you know, but cheap oil and burning and smoke is not pleasant. Nobody likes that. Nobody likes that. Okay, so I've learned a lesson. This is why I'm doing this, so I can teach you guys. Look at this crust. Look at that. That makes me happy. Hey-o! When you're cleaning your When you're cleaning your cast iron skillet, you always want to use hot water. If you use cold water, it could crack. And you don't want that because we love the cast irons. But when you use hot water too, look at this. It brings all of that excess food to the surface. So it makes it really easy to wipe clean afterwards. Just a quick tip. Clean it while it's hot.
Wipe the water right out of it, and it's pretty much hot and clean.
Okay, so that's what it looks like all the way through. I'll go ahead and finish the cut. No, why not? And let's give it a try. Oh my. But just coming right out of it. So that is fantastic. Much beef, not too much seasoning. A little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of pepper. That's all you need. This is amazing. And again, don't skimp on the strips. Get the highest quality. I'm Kyle Untch.
If you like this content, like and subscribe, and be a part of the Untches for Lunches family. Cheers. God!